Hey y'all, it's Kasia, and today I'm going to show y'all how I did this copper and ginger color, little fall color hair and frontal install. This hair came from VIPWIGS. Of course, I'm going to link everything about this hair in the description bar below. They sent me a comb, a wig cap, and a manual for different wigs, and also it came with like coupon codes and stuff. So I'm opening up the wig right now, and it came already blind with the dark roots. This color did not look right on me. Now it might look right on somebody else, but it didn't look right on me. So I'm using Spice Amber and French Cognac to color the hair this kind of like, I don't really know how to describe this color. It's kind of orangey. I don't know. Anyway, I'm just doing it. I'm just watercoloring it. I used some really hot water, and I dipped it in after mixing the colors in. And then I'm going to take a few pieces of the hair and use some copper brown to do the front streaks, and maybe like 2 pieces throughout the hair. So right now I'm using some gel to slick back my edges, and I'm using a little edge brush, and then I'm going to blow dry them into place and then use a new stocking cap over it to do the ball cap method. Once I do the ball cap method, well, let me not get ahead of myself. I'm going to cut little ear holes so they could lay flat on my face, and then I'm going to use some Got To Be Glue spray to adhere the stocking cap to my skin, and then I'm going to blow dry it into place, and then I'm going to use some makeup to match the color to my skin color. And I'm also going to cut off the excess. I'm going to get as close to my hairline without going past my hairline as possible. At this point, I'm going to be using some 91% alcohol to wipe off and get off any excess makeup and excess oils. And now I'm going to check and make sure that the wig fits properly on my head, and I'm just going to cut off the excess lace that's hanging over by my ear so that it can lay flat by my ear and my sideburns. Okay, so once I have all of that done, I'm going to start to glue the cap and put the glue on for me to put the lace frontal on. So I'm just going to be using some Trinity Dreamweaver glue. This is not my favorite glue. I'm not going to lie to you. I really like Boho Active, and this is the last of this glue, so I'm going to be purchasing some more Boho Active. That's my favorite glue, and I'm just going to go back to using that one. So if you are going to do this, use that glue instead of the one that I'm using now. So anyway, I'm just going to be putting on 3 coats of this glue. I did it in sections, so I did the middle part first, and then I did one side, and then I did the other side. And I'm just going to do the same thing over and over 3 times on each section. I'm just going to wait until each section turns clear before I go ahead and add another section of glue. Okay, so before I go on to the next section, I'm gonna go ahead and lay my frontal into that glue very firmly, pushing it into that glue so that it can melt. Okay, and I'm gonna comb it and kind of use the comb to, well, nope, I'm actually not gonna do that to the end. But anyway, I'm gonna go on to the side of my head and I'm gonna do the other side, and then that's gonna be it for the gluing part. Okay, so although this wig did come pre-plucked and the knots came pre-bleached, I think that I should have bleached the knots again, but I didn't. So that left me plucking a lot more than I probably would have had I bleached the knots again. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and glue this other side, and then I'm gonna do some more plucking, and I'm just gonna style it. And I don't really want to talk that much throughout this video because I think it's pretty much self-explanatory. But if y'all do have any questions, y'all can go ahead and ask me in the comment section below. Oh, and also when I do my baby hair, I am going to be using some Afro G mousse, and yeah, I'm just gonna put some curls in it. And I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any questions or requests, let me know what you want to see in the comment section below. And also, you can ask your questions in the comment section below as well. Thanks for watching.